Did you know that the legal cannabis industry in the US is projected to reach over $43 billion by 2025? The green wave is here, and it's transforming the business landscape. Hi, I'm Jack Fandaro from Vetted Biz, your go-to franchise intelligence platform. Today, we're diving deep into the booming world of retail cannabis franchises. The cannabis industry in the US has seen explosive growth over the past decade. As of 2023, legal cannabis sales in the US hit $25 billion, driven by increasing legalization and consumer acceptance. With 18 states fully legalizing recreational use and over 30 allowing medical use, the cannabis market shows no signs of slowing down. The industry is not only lucrative, but also a significant job creator, employing over 30,000 people across the country. It's clear that cannabis is not just a trend, it's a booming business sector. Let's take a look at some of the biggest CBD cannabis franchises out there. So first up, let's talk about Your CBD Store. Founded in 2018, this franchise has quickly become one of the largest retail cannabis concepts in the US. Your CBD Store focuses on providing high-quality CBD products, including oils, edibles, and topicals. Their dedication to quality and customer service has earned them a loyal customer base and numerous awards in the industry. Now, let's look at the franchise by the numbers. Total unit count has grown to over 300 locations nationwide as of 2024, 12% growth from 2021 to 2022, which is quite substantial. Investment range of $93,000 to $149,000, which makes the franchise accessible to many potential franchisees. Unfortunately, the most recent FDD we analyzed had no Item 19 financial performance disclosures. So unfortunately, your best resource for estimating potential sales and earnings will be to speak with current franchisees. Overall, these figures paint Your CBD Store as an interesting opportunity in the cannabis franchise space. Next up, we have Natural Life, another large player in the cannabis retail space. Established in 2018, Natural Life offers a wide range of cannabis products from CBD to THC items, catering to both medicinal and recreational users. With an emphasis on holistic wellness and sustainability, they have rapidly expanded to over 20 locations across the US. Let's take a look at Natural Life by the numbers. So as of July 2024, they have 22 stores. The investment range is $192,000 to just over $300,000, and they grew store count over 100% from 2021 to 2022 by going from 8 to 17 stores. Item 19 financial disclosures from 2023 FDD shows a median gross sales of about $300,000. Now, there are various other cannabis retail concepts or concept franchises out there. However, these two are the biggest ones. Now, let's dive into the economics of cannabis franchises. Opening a cannabis retail store can be a lucrative venture, but it comes with its own set of financial hurdles that must be navigated in order to have a successful venture. Typically, the initial investment ranges from $150,000 to $500,000, depending on the location and size of the store, which are both very important in terms of the success of the location. Successful franchisees can expect to see an annual revenues of anywhere from $200,000 to $1.5 million, depending on the size of the store and the location, with profit margins typically around 13 to 16% range. These numbers highlight the earning potential in this sector is quite variable as it depends on many factors. However, it's important to factor in the cost of compliance, licensing, location of nearby competitors, and ongoing operational expenses can all substantially eat into profits. Cannabis retail concepts have its own set of unique factors that contribute to the pros and cons of the industry. So what are the pros and cons to investing in a cannabis franchise such as Your CBD Store or Natural Life? Let's break it down. So starting with pros, high growth potential. The legal cannabis industry has been one of the fastest growing sectors in the US as legalization efforts has entered many different states. Number two, strong support system. Franchises provide extensive training and support, helping you navigate the complexities of the cannabis industry, which again is much more complex than a standard typical retail concept. Now, what are the cons? First off, you have regulatory challenges. Cannabis industry is heavily regulated, and these regulations vary significantly from state to state. It makes it much more difficult to operate. Second, potential high initial investment. Starting a cannabis franchise requires a substantial upfront investment, especially if you're going for a prime retail location, which for retail concepts is very important. Number three, market saturation. As the industry grows, competition is increasing, making it crucial to choose the right location and brand. Number four, you have unique competition against the black market, which other concepts and other retail concepts don't need to deal with. That's another con in this category that makes it difficult to operate a cannabis retail concept. To sum up, the retail cannabis franchise industry offers exciting opportunities for entrepreneurs willing to dive headfirst into this green gold rush. Your CBD Store and Natural Life stand out as two of the main franchise concepts in this space, especially due to the number of locations that they have, each with unique strengths and offerings. However, beware, the operating cannabis retail concept is no easy cakewalk at this time due to the nature of the business having to deal with regulatory challenges and changes, saturation of the market, and black market competition that other franchise industries do not have to deal with. If you're interested in learning more about these franchises or exploring other opportunities, visit Vetted Biz for comprehensive insights and guidance. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the franchise world. See you next time.